Welcome to America's Baddest Bullring, Tyler County Speedway in Middlebourne, West Virginia. The clay here isn't just dirt, it's tradition. Decades of racing have built a track surface that's both feared and loved by drivers. This past Saturday, the wild and wonderful weekend roared to life with the 38th Annual Earl Hill Memorial. Set against the scenic backdrop of West Virginia, the energy here is unmatched. From super late models to mini wedges, the track buzzes with high-octane action across all classes. Generations have grown up coming to this track, with kids turning into racers and fans turning into lifelong supporters of dirt track racing. Even with modern upgrades, the track has stayed true to its roots, tough, fast, and fiercely competitive. Events like the Earl Hill Memorial and the Hillbilly 100 bring in crowds from all over the country, making this small town track a national name in dirt racing. NASCAR legend Kenny Schrader thrilled fans piloting his Federated Auto Parts modified in the modified Mafia Tour. The energy here is something else. When the sun sets and the lights kick on, you can feel the history come alive. At 304 Media, we're proud to showcase the heart-pounding excitement of dirt track racing. Experience the thrill, the speed, and the community that make Tyler County Speedway a must-visit destination. Stay tuned for more adrenaline-fueled moments brought to you by 304 Media. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us for the latest in West Virginia racing. For more information on upcoming events, visit TylerCountySpeedwayOnline.com. 304 Media, capturing the pulse of West Virginia's racing scene. From here on out, it's all throttle, no filter. Let's take you trackside and thank you for watching.
Here we go.
Federated number 9. That's what everybody's here for.
Okay, looks like you're going to try it again. You didn't get a license, but you did it.
I believe they're going back at it next time around. Caution car's off.
A little more anticipated than what we needed, and we already got
And the other car's back out there.
Here we go.
Oh. Alright, they're gonna go live again.
Yeah, okay. Let's get Kenny Schrader to do first time on
Shrader looked awesome. He was fast. That was some good racing. One of the restarts, one of the cars on the outside jumped up on his front right, and that was good. That was great, actually.
As my great friend, the late Rick Esselman, you saw
Look at that. 4-car salutes.
told him to let's get going. We're going green. Man, that 25, he is fast. He just takes right off every single time. There's not really much of a race between 1, 2, 3, 4. It's more like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're like, that's been good. And then towards the back, it just kind of like drops off a little bit too. But he's fast. That was a great race. All right, guys, that was some really good racing. It was my first time at a dirt track. Hope you guys enjoyed. The 12 ended up winning. I don't know any of the names, but I did hear a couple Fairmont names, and I heard a lot of Washington names, so that's pretty cool. Let's hit the road. It is it's around midnight. I don't know, whatever. This is the closest track I've been to by an hour and 20 minutes. That's it. So I'll be home in no time. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.